we're gonna open her up. Oh wow, look. We have a speaker here. This is to hear the baby's heartbeat. We have a Doppler that we can put on here for the students to see the heartbeat of the baby. And then here is our baby with it's connected to the simulator, which pushes the baby out for them to maneuver how to take the baby out, which is cool. Here's the umbilical cord. We can literally wrap it around and put it in here for students to learn how to make sure to take the umbilical cord from around the baby's neck to save it from being choked to death. And then we have the placenta. Some people use it for other things. It's good for vitamins and stuff like that. And then we have a deflator. We're going to talk about how to make this belly bigger and smaller to show that the mom is either 9 months pregnant, 6 months, 3 months. This is a smaller baby, just so we can show the simulation of delivery. Awesome. This baby it comes with the simulator, and I would say this is more of not a brand new baby, so maybe a 1 month old. And so it has a lot of things that you can do. It has a little belly button that is an outie. And then look, you can clamp this on here when you're doing the simulator. Clamp this on after the baby is born. They typically clamp this on to stop the blood supply to the baby and the mom, from the baby and the mom. So this is really cool. And then we have some more things here for simulation as well. What I love about this one here, this guy here is a pump that we can put to inflate her, make her belly a little bigger, showing that either she's 8 months, 6 months, 5 months. So I like this. I really like this. And they also do the same thing, but not for making it swelling, but it's for blood pressure, heart tone, stuff like that for us. So it's a really good simulator.